I'm gonna show you in this video how you can add a border to your image. So what I'm gonna need to do, I'm just gonna crop this image right over here, and I like to add a border, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna look for shapes here. So let's look for shapes. I'll select graphics, and then here I'll need to look for a square shape. And now I'll select this one. I'll go with this one. Okay, I'll move it here. Select the color that I prefer to use it. You can use some gradients. Now just command and you'll see here there's a shortcut. You can send a layer, bring forward, send back, and you see here command, open bracket. It's just like the commands here. Also go to position and move from here. That's another way. And now here we have our border. That's the first method. Now another way you can create a border on Canva is to grab a line. You just need to grab a line. Okay, but you increase the thickness. You move one line here for your border. If you select and drag down while holding Option, you can create a copy. Okay, hold, drag, and here we have a border. Now, of course, you can fix this here if you want to. Like so, but it's fine. And now another method to create a border is to look for frame. You can search for frame, and then here you can just add a frame. Now there are frames like this one which are pretty nice, and they do actually have incorporated frame like this one. Okay, and we just need to grab the image and drag it into this frame. And now here we have a border again. So those are all the methods I found to create a border. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more tutorials.